Hi, good day. I'm 6315. Please introduce yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am, sir. My name is Julian Ayoso. I am 29 years old, single. I born on February 10, 1997. I live in Tayabas, Quezon Province, the Philippines. I am Roman Catholic. I am undergraduate of college, Bachelor of Science in Agriculture. I work experience in Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 3 months. I serve for family 6 member, including couples, 2 newborn baby, and 2 children. The newborn baby is 0 to 2 years old and 11 months, and 8 years old and 5 years old baby. My focus duty and taking for children and newborn baby.
Okay, and other household chores that you do? Other household chores that you do?
Wash, iron, clean, and cook.
Okay, so you are the one who do all the household chores and taking care of the newborn babies, right?
Yes.
So you have an experience taking care of a newborn baby, so you know how to prepare a milk for a newborn, right?
Yes.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
I check temperature baby. I feed them. Maybe he's angry. I change diaper. If not stop crying, I call the employer immediately.
Okay, that's the right thing you should do because only the parents know what to do to the baby to make it stop to cry, right?
Yes,
Okay, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
because Hong Kong is one place's safety is and high salary.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long the employer want me to stay.
So it is okay to you to extend your
Yes,
contract. Okay, do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
I don't have idea, but I willing to learn watching YouTube and book receipt 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 book.
Okay, recipe book.
Yes,
Okay, and also if you got an employer in Hong Kong, you could also ask them if they could teach you how to prepare, right?
yes,
Okay, if your employer prepared some food that you are not familiar, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide.
yes,
It is okay to you to cut your hair into short.
yes,
How about sharing jobs as a helper?
yes,
How about to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
yes,
If your employers have pets on their house, it is okay to you to take care of them.
yes,
How about taking care of elderly?
yes,
If one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English, it is okay to you to learn their language.
yes, I'm willing to learn the language.
Okay, my last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me because I'm honest, obedient, diligent, patient, and I'm willing to take care of your family, also your child, like my child, and I respecting your rules and regulation. Thank you, sir. And ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Jody Ann. Thank you.
Thank you, po.